The Milwaukee M18 Green Interior Rotary Laser. Impact protected. Simplified setup. The Milwaukee Green Interior Rotary Laser is impact protected, ensuring maximum durability and accuracy. With reinforced housing, this laser can withstand drops up to 1.5 meters and tripod tips up to 2 meters. The Green Interior Rotary Laser delivers automatic alignment with center find, providing an accurate and consistent automatic alignment in horizontal and vertical plane applications. The simplified menu navigation makes this rotary laser easy to use, saving time on the job. Adjust rotary laser settings at long distance with an all-in-one remote and receiver. The wall mount provides a simplified setup with the fastest mounting using a single dial and a strong, secure grip. Delivering the accuracy you depend on. The Milwaukee M18 Green Interior Rotary Laser. Impact protected, simplified setup.